everybody, it's Mrs Crawley here. I've found a really cool experiment for you guys to do. For this you need some kitchen towel, a plate, a jug of water, some felt tip pens, a piece of paper. Let's get started. Firstly, you take a piece of kitchen towel and fold it in half. Place it on top of your piece of paper. Once you've done that, decide what you would like to draw on your piece of paper. I've chosen a flower here. And you take your pen, a Sharpie would be good, or any kind of felt tip pen, and draw your pattern on the top. When you open up, you will see that on the inside it has gone through. You need this for the next stage. So when your pattern has gone through, you open it up and you colour the pattern of whatever it is you've drawn on the inside. So there I've drawn a colourful flower. This is where the fun bit starts. You then get your bowl, your tray, your plate, whatever, and you pour in some water. Then you take your piece of kitchen towel and you place it into the water and then see what happens. There you go. Like magic, the colours come through. You can do it in any design. I suggest you do more than one because it's a very quick experiment, but it's also really fun and really effective. Good luck everyone while having a go. Thank you.